everyone, welcome back to Casting Vlog and welcome back to another new video. So today I have the Portronics World Tag. This is Smart Smallest Item Finder and it works with Apple Find My, MFI certified product, lightweight, up to 1 year of battery life, 20 meters of buzzer alert, left behind alert, only iOS compatible. So if you're having an Android device, then this World Tag is not going to be working with your Android devices. At the back, the price is mentioned as 1,499, but then on online platforms, you get it in between 500 to 600 rupees. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and we will see what we get inside. So I'm going to cut this from here. Let's take a look at the main device first. So this is how it looks like. It's really lightweight, and then this has a button and gap to attach your lanyard, and then this is pull. So once you pull this, the contact between the terminal and the battery will be active, and then we can use this particular World Tag. Let's see what else we get inside. So we get a little lanyard. I can see that it's a little bit dirty. I don't know, this has just been well out of the box. And this is the user manual. So let's go ahead and set it up, and then we're going to test this, how this is working. Let's start the pairing process. So I will go to my phone settings and I will make sure that my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are turned on. And then I will come to the Find My app. I will click this button once and it should give us a beep. I don't see anything happening, so that's odd because the brand says that it should give a beep once you press this button for one time, but since it didn't happen, I'm going to do a factory reset. So I have to press this button 4 times continuously, and I will have to press and hold for the 5th time till we hear the beep. So let's do that. So we heard the beep. I'm going to keep this to a side, and then I'm going to go to my items, and then I'll click on add item, other supported items, and it's searching to discover this particular World Tag. It says World Tag, so I'm going to click on connect. I'll give it a name, so maybe just WT, which stands for World Tag. Continue. I can also choose an emoji, so I will choose this one. So this is linked to my Apple account right now. It says you can locate this item using the Find My network. So I'll click on agree. And it says that with this World Tag, you can find this in the direction in maps. You can play a sound, you can use the lost mode, and you can share this item so that others can locate your item in the Find My app. So I'm clicking on finish. And this has been now set up, and we see that this is already showing on the map, and it says this is the location, the battery percentage is 100%, and I'm going to swipe it up to see some more options. The first option is a play sound, and then we have directions. So let's go ahead and click on play sound and see what. So this is the sound that you get, which is not very loud, and it doesn't continuously plays. So it just plays for a couple of seconds, then it stops. Then you have your next option, which is the directions. It is going to open up the Apple Maps and it's going to show where exactly the tag is right now. You can also navigate it to see where exactly it is located. But since I'm just next to the tag, I couldn't get any directions. It just says arrived. So we're going to test this anyways on a real-time scenario. Next, we have the share item, and it says share with a person. So you want to share this with any of your known contacts. Where they can locate it, you can do that as well. Well, if you have lost the item, you can also have this option enabled, which says show contact info. So it says that connect to reveal the information, allow others to get in touch. So you can do that. And you want to share the item's location, you can also go ahead and turn that on as well. What it does is that the person who opens this link will be able to see this location if your item for a limited period of time. So that's what it's going to do. And then we have the notifications. It says notify when I left behind. So currently this is turned as on. It says except at one location. I'm also going to remove this because it says that if I'm at my home, it should not be notifying me if I leave it alone. But then again, for example, if I lost something inside my home, I want to track it. So this can be useful. So I will be removing this and then I will do done. Well, it doesn't tells me what is the range or the distance that it will calculate before it notifies me when I leave this tag behind. But then this definitely has that option over here. It just shows that there is a circumference and then there is a tag, and then when the person is walking away, it should be notifying you. So I'm clicking on done at the bottom, and then it says the manufacturer is Uptech. It doesn't shows anywhere if it is Portronics. It says it's Uptech, and then it says the model is World Tag, and the firmware version is 1.7.0. And then you also get an option to rename this item or remove this item just in case you want. So that was all the options that we had over here. So let us go ahead and test it on a real-time scenario and see how this is working. Time to test. I'm going to have the keys here inside the car, and you can see that the tag is already attached to the key. So I'm going to leave it here, and then we're going to track it if it is working fine. So for testing purpose, I have the key over there, and we're going to see if the pairing is currently available. So I'm going to play the sound, and you can see that the sound is being played. I'm going to stop it. So which means that we have the connection which is currently active. So the car is right there, as you can see, the last one, and I'm just about maybe 10 meters away. I'm going to play the sound, and we're going to see if this is working fine or not. As far as I can see that it is still loading, and it says that the item is not reachable. I'm going to give it a benefit of doubt, so I've just kept the key on the top of the windshield. Now we're going to check. We'll just go to a little bit of distance. I'm about now 10 meters away from the vehicle, as you can see, and the key is still on the top of the windshield. I'm going to play the sound. This is working, so I'm going to pause it, but it takes a couple of seconds to respond. And I'm going to move a little bit away, maybe another 10 meters. I'm about 20 meters away from the tag, and then we're going to test it now. So I'm going to play the sound. This is still loading. And it says the item is not reachable. Let's try if it is able to show us the direction. It says 1 minute. I'm going to
starting route. Proceed to the route. Then in 0 meters, arrive at your destination.
So it says it's about 0 meters, but I don't think so because the vehicle is still about 20 meters away. But we will see where this
in
is
40
taking us.
meters, arrive at your destination.
It says about in 40 meters, arrive at the destination. So we'll give it a few more seconds. I'm still walking to find if it is able to take us exactly to where the tag is. That's how the distance is kind of like, getting changed. It was 40, then 35, 40, 30, 25, 20. And since we've already arrived, this is still not showing us that we have arrived.
Proceed to the route.
It still says proceed to the route, and it says about 45 meters. So which is not very accurate as far as I can see, because I'm just standing next to the key. I've already reached near the vehicle, but this did not show us the correct information here. Okay, so time now for the final verdict, and should you buy this Portronics World Tag or not? Well, for the purpose it is being sold, calling it as an item finder, when we tried to test it, it was not really up to the mark. So if you have seen, we have kept this inside the car, we've kept it outside of the car just to check how it is able to detect, or it is able to give us that alert to find a particular item, just in case if you really misplace something in those kind of scenarios. But this was not really up to the mark, and I am not quite satisfied with it. And probably, you could find your items within 10 meters of range without this device as well. Now, in terms of the sound and the beep and or the buzzer, what they call, it was not very loud. And then again, the buzzer just works when this is connected with Bluetooth and the phone is within like 10 meters of range. So it just plays that buzzer and you can hear it. Now, for the tracking purpose, when we tried to test it, I just tried different distances moving away from where the tracker was, and definitely this did not give me the exact precise location how it should be being called as a tracker. So the only advantage I can think of is, the price that is being sold for about like 500 to 600 rupees, which is not that expensive. But then again, in terms of solving the purpose of finding your lost items, this is not reliable. So I hope that you found this video informative. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and I will see you on the next one.